tuna salad. Scraping all that yummy goodness out. With the avocado. And now, let me see if I can move my cable without moving my phone. There she is. All right, guys, I'm sorry. Stay right there. Okay. Stay right there. Okay. So now I'm going to. I have a massive, huge charger. That's the problem. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, that I'm giving you a headache, but it is what it is. I'm trying to do it. This cable that you see here, it's my mini processor. So I'm going to add tomatoes in with the avocado. It's half of a Florida avocado. Now look at the comments in a little bit here. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I love you too. Love you too, guys. Much love. We want to spread love, not hate in here. So if you want to be rude, we have no time for you here. Okay? We're all about love. And guess what day it is today? Oh, sorry, guys. This is terrible. Today is the 1st of October. And my birthday is on the 14th of this month. And I'm so duper excited. I'm going to squeeze a lime. Right in there. And I'm going to, did I season this? I haven't seasoned it yet. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Salt. Whoa, my rice is coming along. Look at this, you guys. I dropped all my salt. The whole salt. The whole entire salt is on the floor. That's okay. So, pinch of this sea salt in there just for flavor. This is the crunch time. How Mama does it before work. This is real TV. I'm gonna add a garlic clove, and I lost some of my salt, which I'm gonna have to vacuum it off because it's like all over the floor, you guys. Hang on a second. Hang on. I'm really not going to have any bad luck now with all that salt that came out of here. Just saying. All right, salt is gone. Let me go ahead and wash my hands real quick. All right, so now I'm gonna get me my garlic clove. Put a little bit of garlic. Oh my goodness, guys. My